after you watch this video, you'll be able to make better Afro House than Keinemusik. We're gonna start off with a kick and bass. Most Afro House tunes use a Reese bass in their low end, like for example in this track. So we're gonna start off with a Reese bass. I opened up a new Serum and let's make it from scratch. So first take a saw wave and put it 2 octaves down, then filter it so we only have the low ends. Add some distortion, some chorus, some OTT to bring out some more of the mids and highs. And we got some reverb and delay going on to automate the mod wheel with. So then we're gonna dive into songwriting. We're gonna work in A minor. So let's start off on the root and go for a descending chord progression. So just walk down the scale to the 7th, 6th and 4th. So then we're gonna mix it. Just add in a classic soundgoodizer to bring out some more of the mids and route it to the sidechain bass. Then we're gonna combine it with a kick. So just drop in a kick from our new Ngoma sample pack. It's the perfect one to make Afro House. It's sounding like this. So then to make the songwriting a bit more smooth, I also added a vocal from our Ngoma sample pack. It's royalty free and it's included in the pack as well. So this one sounds like this. So typical Afro vibe. With a chorus right here. So then we're gonna arrange it. This will be the pre-chorus, so remove the Reese right here. And then have an 8-bar section right here as well. We can use this part as first. So this will be our basic song structure. So now we're gonna continue with the Afro House drums. I got some perks loaded up already from the pack. So let's make a basic rhythm with it. Starting off on the first hit, just like this. Then add some groove. Just that basic foundation. Layer it. Boosting some high end as well. And let it open up with the OTT. Giving this rhythm. Then we're gonna layer it with some more toms. This one's really groovy, so drop it in. Giving this effect. And now it's just a matter of stacking the percussion. Yeah, that's really solid. Makes it way more Afro-ish. So then it's time to drop in some shakers. And just mix it in volume-wise. And layer it with this one. Yeah, that's it. So then I added 2 more loops to it. First is recorded hand clap loop. Took a while to get it right, but it's really solid. It's really unique as well. So what I did is just record it to the mic together with this basic head loop. And so other percussions sound like this. So then to finish off the percussion, we need to arrange it. So what we made is the percussion for in the drop. Then we just need to duplicate it and downgrade it. So for the pre-chorus, remove the toms. Also leave this bar empty. And do the same for the verse. Just remove the percussions like this. So that's the arrangement. I also added these 2 drum fills. So altogether the percussion sounds like this. We got a drum and bass ready, so now we're gonna continue with the Afro House leads. So first, load up a new Serum and make a preset. I first selected the saw wave together with a noise and a short sustain, some release. Routed the envelope to the filter, making it sound plucky, and added some reverb, delay, EQing, So then we're gonna dive into MIDI. We need to have a rhythmic Afro House plug lead, like you hear in all those other songs. So just like this. Duplicate it and make a small variation right here. So then we need to mix it. First drop in the classic soundmixer. Open it up some more with the OTT. And just get rid of the low end. And some filtering so we can use it in a breakdown. Let it open up like this. So then just duplicate the Serum, paste the MIDI in, and pick another lead from the pack. Yeah, this one works perfectly. Layer them together. Something like this. And then again, arrangement wise, we're gonna use this one in the pre-chorus as well. So then we're gonna stack the plucks with some variations. So the first one we made was in A, the 5th note of the scale. Now we're gonna layer it with a simple saw plug. So we're gonna continue with the A minor chord, which is the A, C and E. Now we're gonna use the C and make it a bit more rhythmic like this. Just double it. And make the same variation and then arrange it like this. This one will be used all the time in the production. So we have some more rhythmic stuff going on. So then we're going to continue with another important element of the Afro House track, the piano. First copy over the progression we made with the Reese bass and drop it down an octave. Then we're going to turn it into full chords, an octave up from the root note. Something like this. Really solid, but it's a bit too low right now, so duplicate the upper 2 chords and layer it like this. Last chord sounds a bit too depressed, so we're gonna switch up the top note. And just spread out the chords, put it up an octave. And then add some filler notes in the progression. Right now it's really static as well, with every note at the same velocity at the same spot. So first hit Alt S to strum it. And then Alt R to randomize the velocity. It humanize it some more. Then we're gonna mix it. Some OCT and EQ it because it has too much low end in there. And then the piano will play all the time in the track, just like this. So then what we're gonna do is copy over the progression, drop in a new pattern, and then pick a chord sound from the pack. We'll be using this one. Something like this. It's a sort of a Rhodes chord. And again, paste it in. So there will be our foundation of the synths. Now I'm quickly gonna add some automations. For example right here. So the track evolves some more. For example, we can automate a mod view of this lead to create some movement. So I added some automations right here on the master and on the synths. For example, endless smell, local automations, and some FX, some simple reverses, and downlifters. Then I also added this string ambience in the root note of the track. So just drop in a string sound from Labs, the free plugin. Something like this, and let it play as an Atmos during the track. We'll simply fill up the track some more. So then we're gonna arrange it. So first start off with 8 bars right here. And then follow the chorus right here. Like just duplicating it, supporting the vocal, and duplicating the last drop like this. We missed a kick right here, so quickly edit in. Same for the automations, and there we have our full Afro House production. I think it turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.